Hey, so if you want to add charts in Google Slides in 2026 to present data clearly and professionally, this guide will walk you through everything step by step, so your information is easy to understand. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open an existing presentation or create a new one where you want to add charts. To insert a chart, go to the top menu, click Insert, then choose Chart. You'll see options like bar chart, column chart, line chart, and pie chart. Select the chart type that best fits your data. When you add a chart, Google Slides automatically links it to a sample Google Sheet. Click on the chart, then choose Open Source to edit the data. This opens a spreadsheet where you can replace the sample numbers with your own data. Update the values, labels, and headings in the sheet. As you edit the spreadsheet, the chart in Google Slides updates automatically. This makes it easy to adjust data without rebuilding the chart. You can also customize the chart. Change colors, fonts, and labels inside Google Sheets to match your slide design. Keep things simple. Too many colors or details can confuse viewers. If your data changes later, just update the linked sheet and click Update on the chart in Slides. This keeps everything accurate without redoing the chart. You can resize and reposition charts on your slide like any other object. Use alignment guides to keep charts centered and balanced with other content. For presentations, make sure charts are easy to read. Use clear titles, readable text, and avoid overcrowding slides with too many visuals at once. Before finishing, review your slides in presentation mode. Check that charts are visible, numbers are clear, and colors look good on screen. And that's it. By inserting charts, editing data in sheets, and keeping designs clean, you can add effective charts in Google Slides with confidence. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.